traffic stopping outside.
Had to check my pants, I left for a while. For heaven's sake,